Hello students, welcome to the video lecture. In previous lecture I have discussed about dual space of a vector space. In this lecture I will define second dual and will prove a lemma. So let's begin with the definition of second dual. Let v suffix 0 belongs to the V, where V is any vector space over the field F. As F varies over V hat and V0 is kept fixed, F of V suffix 0 defines a functional on V hat into the field F. We denote this function by T suffix V suffix 0 and define it in the manner T suffix V suffix 0 of F equals to F of V suffix 0 for all F in the dual space of vector space V. So from this we have T suffix V suffix 0 of F plus G equals to F plus G of V0, and here this F plus G of V0 equals to F of V0 plus G of V0, and which is nothing but equals to T suffix V suffix 0 of F plus T suffix V suffix 0 of G, and also we have T suffix V suffix 0 of lambda F equals to lambda F of V0, which is equals to lambda into F of V0, which equals to lambda as it is, and F of V0 is T suffix V suffix 0 of F. So we have shown that T suffix V suffix 0 of F plus G equals to T suffix V suffix 0 of F plus T suffix V suffix 0 of G, and T suffix V suffix 0 of lambda F equals to lambda into T suffix V suffix 0 of F. So that means T suffix V suffix 0 is a vector space homomorphism from V hat into F. So that is T suffix V suffix 0 belongs to the vector space which is set of all vector space homomorphisms from V hat into the field or into the vector space F. So thus T suffix V suffix 0 is in the dual space of V hat. We write the dual space of V hat as V double hat, that is V double hat equals to the vector space which is set of all vector space homomorphisms of V hat into the vector space F, and we call it as the second dual of vector space V. So this is the definition for second dual of the vector space V. Next we have a lemma. Its statement is, if V is finite dimensional vector space, then prove that psi is an isomorphism of V onto V double hat. So proof. So given any element V in the vector space V, so we can associate this element V with an element T suffix V in V double hat. Next we define a mapping psi from V into V double hat by psi of V equals to T suffix V for every V in the vector space V. So next our claim is to show that psi is a vector space homomorphism. So for this purpose we consider T suffix V plus W of F, which equals to, by the way of defining the function T suffix V, we have T suffix V plus W of F equals to F of V plus W. Here F is a vector space homomorphism. So therefore F of V plus W equals to F of V plus F of W, which equals to, here F of V is T suffix V of F plus F of W is T suffix W of F, and which is equals to T suffix V plus T suffix W of F. So from this we get that T suffix V plus W equals to T suffix V plus T suffix W. That is, by the way of defining this function psi, this equals to psi of V plus W equals to psi of V plus psi of W. For any scalar lambda in the field F, we have T suffix lambda V of F equals to F of lambda V. Here F is a vector space homomorphism, so that is why F of lambda V equals to lambda into F of V, which equals to lambda as it is, and F of V equals to T suffix V of F. So from this implies that T suffix lambda V equals to lambda into T suffix V, and by the way of defining the function psi, we have T suffix lambda V equals to psi of lambda V, and lambda into T suffix V equals to lambda into psi of V. So we have shown that psi of V plus W equals to psi of V plus psi of W, and psi of lambda V equals to lambda into psi of V. So this implies that psi is a vector space homomorphism. So we have shown that psi is a vector space homomorphism. Next, our claim is to show that psi is an isomorphism. That is, we want to show that psi is a one-to-one function. As we know that psi is an isomorphism if and only if its kernel is singleton 0. So we consider psi of V equals to 0. That means T suffix V equals to 0. But if T suffix V equals to 0, then 0 equals to T suffix V of F, which equals to F of V for all F in the dual space of the vector space V. So, but by the lemma, if V is finite dimensional and V is a non-zero vector in the vector space V, then there is an element F in V hat such that F of V is non-zero. So from this we get that if V is non-zero, then this implies that F of V is non-zero. So this f of v equals to 0 implies that v equals to 0. So from this we conclude that the kernel of psi contains only one element, that is 0, and from this we conclude that psi is an isomorphism. So we have shown that psi is an isomorphism. Next we will show that psi is onto. So we know that if V is finite dimensional vector space over the field F, then V and here this vector space V hat are of same dimension. We know that if V is n dimensional vector space, then V hat is the vector space which is the set of all vector space homomorphisms from the vector space V into the vector space F. If the dimension of vector space V is n, and as we know that dimension of the vector space F is 1, so the dimension of this vector space is n into 1, that is n. That means both are of same dimension. So similarly, V hat and V double hat both are of same dimension. That means V and V double hat are of same dimension, and since psi is an isomorphism of V into V double hat, the equality of the same dimensions forces us that psi is onto. So thus we have shown that if V is finite dimensional, then psi is an isomorphism of V onto V double hat. In next lecture, I will discuss about annihilator of a subspace. Thank you.